Hi there, welcome back to my channel. So I got my order in from Squish Gummies. I have a few hauls that I've done before on my channel for Squish Gummies. If you haven't seen any of them, Squish Gummies or Squish Candy is a Canadian candy company that make the best gummies, and their website is squishcandies.com. This is not sponsored, I'm just obsessed with their candy. And so I thought I would show you what I got this time around. So I did get a little card that came with the candy, and I have a promo code for 10% off my next purchase. Just a cute little, and this is the company Squish Candies. So the first thing I got are these tea leaves. And I always pick these up. These are one of my favorites. I have two favorite candies from Squish Candies that I always buy no matter what I order. And these are one of them, the tea leaves. And they look like this. So they look like actual tea leaves, and they actually taste like tea as well. So if you like the taste of green tea or black tea or whatever, you'll really enjoy these, because sometimes candy, they say it tastes like tea and it really doesn't taste like tea. This is not one of those. They actually do taste like tea. And they were on sale. I want to say 20% off. The tea leaves were, not everything. And so I actually picked up 3 of them. So I would normally get a medium-sized bag, but I think the small ones were on sale. So instead of getting a medium bag, I just got 3 of the small ones. And like I said, these are my favorite. And usually I only buy the small sizes to give as gifts because they're so cute. But this time around, I think I'm just going to eat all of them because these are some of my favorite candies. So don't you think it's really cute how they did the bag? So this is like a cup and you can see the tea leaves inside. And it's like green. I'll just open it and show you. So I can show you what some of the candy looks like. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I don't have a green one. Ah, okay, there's a green one. So they come in 3 colors. There's a green, a red, and this kind of like yellow or orange one. So they're beautiful for the fall time. And if you have a friend who actually really likes tea, this would be a good gift for them. Because it's a very unique candy. Like, I don't think there's something similar anywhere else. So these are one of the best ones I like to buy at Squish because I really can't buy something similar to this with another company. Like, these are very unique to this brand. So I hope they never discontinue these because I'm obsessed and I buy a lot of them. So yeah, that's candy number 1. One of the reasons to order online is because they always put a little sample in your box. So this time, I think these are the like sakura blossoms. Like, they look like little flowers, if you can see. And there's some like white ones and some little like clear ones. And they always put a bag of this size in every box. They're usually vegan as well. So I bet these are the vegan flower blossoms. They always put one in. And you don't get this if you order in person. So it's better to get them online. Oh, by the way, Squish Gummies, they ship to Canada and the United States, as far as I know. So, yeah, pick that up. These are my second favorite. So I would say this is my favorite, and then the tea leaves are my second favorite. And of course, it is the magic mushrooms. They are my favorite candy from Squish, and one of my favorite candies in existence. They're absolutely incredible. They're strawberry flavored. And they look like this. I've actually got another bag. So this is the medium size. So let me just show you comparison. So this is the small size, and then this is the medium size. So if you want to get more like bang for your buck, I do recommend getting the medium size, as long as you know you like the candy. So get a small one to try out new ones, and then once you know which ones you like, then go with the medium size. And the medium sizes you can also only get online. So it's another good reason to order Squish online instead of in person. So I actually didn't order just this bag. I actually ordered another bag, which I've already gotten into. So I picked up this package yesterday and I've already gone through about half a bag of this. I know I have a problem. I'm well aware. So this is the magic mushrooms. So I did pick up 2 medium bags. and they look like this. So they look like a little mushroom with a pink top. And what I really like about this one and the tea leaves is that they are quite dense. Like some gummies you bite and there's nothing to it. It's too soft. But these, if you can see, like, watch me squish it. Like, I have to use a lot of power to squish it. Like, it's actually quite dense and thick. I think it's the beeswax in there. So it's a very good quality candy. It reminds me of like Haribo Star Mix. If you like Haribo, like that more tough gummy, then you will really enjoy these. And they have such a great flavor. They're just absolutely delicious. Like, as you can see, like, I cannot get enough of them. And anytime I make an order from Squish, 100% of the time it has these and it has the tea leaves, because those are my two favorites. And the last thing I got, I actually opened these too, but I promise it wasn't just me who ate these. It was also my father-in-law. He also has a candy problem, but nowhere near the amount that my problem is. And these are actually just the classic bears. And I got these because they were also on sale. So on the website, there's a section for candy that's on sale. And actually, they usually have some of their best stuff in there. So I really recommend doing that. They have like 2-for-1 sales, or they have like certain percentage off or something like that. So I did pick up these because they were on sale. And this is my first time actually trying just the classic bears. I think I usually go for more interesting candy. So they're more like boring candy is not really what I go for. But they look like this. They look like your standard gummy bear. But I was very happy to find out that they are also quite on the dense side. So they're not too soft. They're not like Maynard's gummy bears, which are not my favorite. Like the Maynard's ones, I just feel like they don't have enough bite. They don't have enough flavor. But these do. They have both. They have enough bite. They have enough flavor. They're quite like dense and they taste incredible. And I have to say, this company, they have really good ingredients, and like they don't skimp on the ingredients, and that's why their candy tastes so good. So in this, they have fruit juice concentrate, gelatin, citric acid, natural colorants. So all the colors are natural: beetroot, safflower, lemon, carrot, spirulina, and caramel. And then they have glazing agents that are yellow and white beeswax and carnauba wax. And I think that the wax is what actually gives it its really good texture, right? I could be wrong about that, but as far as I understand it, it's like, it's just a really good, it's a really good gummy. And if you are vegan, Squish Candy makes some of the best vegan candy that exists. I still prefer they're not vegan candy, but if you compare the vegan candy at Squish Gummies to vegan candy anywhere else, they're just miles ahead. They have just the best vegan candy. They make incredible vegan sour belts. Their sour belts are like nobody else. Like, they're so good. So yeah, that's everything in my box. I like how they use this pink paper. This was one of my smaller orders, but maybe I'll link below some of my other orders as well. Oh, before I finish this video, just to let you know, the magic mushrooms are not drugs. Somebody in a previous video actually put in the comments that they were buying this because they thought it was drugs. And I just, like, yes, they're called magic mushrooms, but as far as I know, you can't buy magic mushrooms online. Like, it's not legal in Canada yet. Maybe it will be one day, but no. And also, it wouldn't really look like this. I mean, come on, like, magic mushrooms don't look like that. So I just thought that was super funny and silly. And I do believe that that person ordered the gummies, so they're gonna get real disappointed. Or maybe not, because it's an incredible candy. Like, it's really delicious. It's not drugs though, but it is really delicious. So yeah, just in case you were wondering whether these are drugs, they are not. I'm sorry, but they are incredible and you will love them. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.